Hey friends, welcome back to this session. Today in this session, we'll solve some important mathematical problem. Our first question here is, it is a question of simplification. Now for solving these simplifications, we will first solve the small bracket. In the denominator, we have 3 and 6. Now we'll try to make the denominator same. So for making the denominator same, 6 and 6 will multiply 2 and 3 by 2, so that the denominator will be 6. We will multiply it by 2 and 2 multiplied 2 is 4. Now the denominator is same, 6 and 6. So we will subtract the numerator. 4 minus 1, this is 3. In the denominator we have 6. Now this is multiplied by 1 over 2. So now we will cancel 3 and 6 by 3. So in the denominator it will be 2. Now multiplying 1 and 1, it is 1 in the numerator. In the numerator 2 and 2, it is 4. So value of these terms become 1 over 4. Now in the next we will have to subtract 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So denominator is same, so it will be 4 and 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we can cancel it by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So the final here is 1 by 2. Now we will solve this. 2 whole 1 by 3. So multiplying 2 and 3 is 6 plus 1. It is 7 by 3. And now 5 whole 1 by 2. So 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. 11 over 2. So the value of this term is 7 by 3. And it is divided by this term 1 by 2. It is divided by 1 by 2. Now for solving this, so 7 by 3 for multiplying, the denominator will go up, so it will be multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14 over 3. Now it is negative and here it is 11 by 2. Now for making the denominator same, we will multiply this by 3 over 3 and this value by 2 over 2. So the denominator will be 6. So it is 3 multiplied by 11 is 33. In the denominator we have 3 2s are 6 minus here 14 2s are 28 divided by 3 2s are 6. Now in the denominator we have 6. I will subtract this. 33 minus 28 is 5. So 5 over 6. So the correct answer of the questions will be 5 over 6. This is not given in the options. So correct answer of the question will be 5 over 6. Now moving to the next question. Next question here is, which of the following is the largest? Here we have the base and power of different numbers. So here we have different base and different power. For solving this type of problem, we take the HCF of the powers. So HCF of 60, 48, 36 and 24 will be 12. HCF will be 12. So we'll try to make the outer power same as 12. So we can write 2 power by 60 as 2. And now we'll divide 60 by 12. So it will be 5. So 2 powered by 5 and whole powered by 12, right? So here if we multiply the powers, it will be 12, 5 just 60. So it is 2 powered by 60. Similarly, 3 powered by 48, we will write in the outer power, we will write 12. Now we will divide 48 by 12. So it will be 4 times. And next 4 and outer power is 12. So we will divide 36 by 12. So it will be 3. 12 3 times is 36. 5 and outer power will make 12. So 12 2s are 24. Now we will evaluate the value of 2 powered by 5. So it will be 32 powered by 12, right? 3 powered by 4 is 81 and it's powered by 12. And 4 powered by 3 is 64 and it is powered by 12. And next 5 square is 25 and its power is 12. Now here we have made the power same 12, 12, 12 and 12. Now we'll compare the base. Now in the base 81 is the largest. So 3 powered by 48, 3 powered by 48, option number B is correct for the answer. Now let's move to the next question. Now we'll simplify these questions. For simplifying this, we'll take this term as x. So value of this term will take this x, and similarly value of this term also will be x, right? So we can write it as the x, the whole term, that is x is equal to, here it is 30, in the square root it is 30 plus x, right? because this value is also x. Now we'll square both the side. So it is x square. In the right hand side it will be 30 plus x. Now we'll square both the side. So it is in the left hand side x square, in the right hand side it will be 30 plus x. So we'll take both the terms in left hand side, it is x square minus x and minus 30. So it is equal to 0. Now if we'll factorize this, this will be x minus 6 multiplied by x plus 5, right? And that will be 0. So the value of x will be either 6 or negative 5. So this is the value of the term. So negative sign will not be here. So positive 6 will our answer. So correct answer option number B, 6 is our correct answer. Now the shortcut for this type of problem, if the term goes up to infinity and the number, if we'll factorize this term 6 and 5 and the difference of this term is 1, for the positive value, if there is positive sign, in the questions, answer will be greater 1. So answer will be 6. Now moving to the next question, find the value of, here it is a cube plus b cube format, and in the denominator we have a square minus ab plus b square. Now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Here a means 2.3 and b is 0.3. So in the denominator it is a square, so a square, and 2.3 multiplied by 0.3 is 0.69. So it will be negative ab and it is b square. Now a cube minus b cube, so it will be cube. So a cube plus b cube, we can write a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square, right? In the denominator we have a square minus ab plus b square. So we can cancel in the numerator and denominator a square minus ab plus b square. So we are left with a plus b. So a is our 2.3 and b is 0.3. So the value of this term will be 2.6. So correct answer option number A, 2.6 is our correct answer. Now next question, and the next question here is to simplify these terms. So if you see in the denominator we have square root 9 and square root 8, square root 8 minus square root 7. So for solving this term, we'll multiply it by conjugate of it. So we'll multiply root 9 minus root 8. Its conjugate will be square root 9 plus square root 8, right? In the denominator also same value, square root 9 plus square root 8. So here it is a square minus b square. So it will be in the denominator square root 9 square is 9 minus b square means square root 8 square will be 8. And in the numerator we have square root 9 plus square root 8. So in the denominator we are left with 1. The value of this term will be 1. So it will be square root 9 plus square root 8. So the value of this term will be square root 8 plus square root 7. And the value of this term will be square root 7 plus square root 6. And value of this term square root 6 plus square root 5. And value of this term is square root 5 plus square root 4. Now we'll simplify it here. So value of first term, it is square root 9 plus square root 8. Now here it is negative sign, so we'll write negative, and in the bracket we have square root 8 plus square root 7, right? And here it is positive sign, and it is square root 7 plus square root 6. Now again negative sign, and it is square root 6 plus square root 5. In the next we have positive sign, square root 5 plus square root 4. Now we'll remove this bracket. Now first term it is square root 9 plus square root 8. Now multiplying by negative sign, so it will be negative square root 8 negative square root 7, and it is square root 7 plus square root 6, and this term also multiplied by negative, so it will be square root 6 and negative square root 5, and here it is square root 5 plus square root 4. Now we will cancel square root 8 and negative square root 8, negative square root 7 and positive square root 7, square root 6 and negative square root 6, negative square root 5, positive square root 5. So now we are left with square root 9. The value of square root 9 is 3 plus, and value of square root 4 is 2, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So correct answer of the question, option number C, 5 is our correct answer. Now the next question, and the question here is, a thief is spotted by a policeman from a distance of 200 meters. When the policeman starts the chase, the thief also starts running. If the speed of the thief is 10 km per hour and the policeman is 12 km per hour, how far will the thief have run before he is overtaken? So here two persons, one here is thief and policeman here. So thief is here, policeman is here. After seeing this, the thief started running this side with the speed of 10 km per hour, 10 km per hour, and the speed of police here it is 12 km per hour, and the distance between them is given this 200 meter, right? 200 meter. Since both of them are running in the same direction, so the relative speed will be 12 minus 10, that is 2 km per hour, right? Now the next we'll calculate the time in which the police will catch the thief. So time is distance divided by speed. The distance here is 200 meter. So the more distance to be covered by police is 200 meter. So it is 200 meter, we can write 200 meter, we can write 0.2 kilometer, because this speed is given in kilometer per hour. So it is 0.2 kilometer, distance is 0.2 kilometer, and speed here we have calculated, relative speed is 2. Now 2 and 2 cancels, so the value of time, so time taken would be 0.1 hour, right? Now in the next we will calculate the distance traveled by the thief. Distance traveled by the thief, it is speed of thief. So speed of thief multiplied by time taken. The speed of thief given here is 10 km. It is 10 km per hour multiplied by time we have calculated, it is 0.1. Now 10 and point is cancelled, so value of it is 1, and distance it is in kilometer. So distance covered by the thief is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, right? So 1000 meter, option number B is correct. So option number B, 1000 meter is correct for the answer. Now moving to the next question, and the question here is, 6 years ago the ratio of the ages of Kunal and Sagar was 6:5. 4 years hence the ratio of the age will be 11:10. What is Sagar's age? So here two persons, one is Kunal, another one is Sagar. So before 6 years, let the before 6 years, so we let the age before 6 years of Kunal be 6x. Similarly, the age of 6 years before the age of Sagar will be 5x, right? Now 4 years hence, it is -6. So we will come up to 0 and then 4 years hence, right? Then 4 years hence. So it will be after 4 years, we'll have to add 6 and 4, 10 years. So it is 10 years till here. So the after 10 years, the age will be, Kunal's age will be 6x plus 10, and the Sagar's age will be 5x plus 10. And ratio of it is given after 4 years, it is 11:10. 11:10. So we can write 6x plus 10 divided by 5x plus 10. It is 11:10. Now we'll simplify this. It is 6x multiplied by 10 is 60x. 10 multiplied 10 is 100 in the right hand side. 11 multiplied by 5 is 55x plus 11 multiplied 10, 110. 10. Now we'll take 55 in the left hand side, so it will be 60 minus 55 is 5x. Now we'll take 100 in the right hand side, so it is 100. 10 minus 100 is 10. So value of x will be 2. Now in the questions, we'll calculate the Sagar's present age. So Sagar's age before 6 years, it is 5x. So it is 5x means 5 multiplied by 2. X is 2. So it is 10. It is the value of 6 years earlier. So after 6 years means present age will be 10 plus 6 is 16. So option number A, 16 years is our correct answer. Now the next question. The next question here is A, B and C start a business. A invest 3 times as much as B and B invest 2/3 of what C invests. At the end of the year, the total profit is 6,600. What is B's share? So here it is 3%, A, B and C. Let C invest X rupees and B invest 2/3 of C. So B invest 2/3 of C. C here is X. And next A invest 3 times of B. So A invest 3 times of B means 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 X. 3 and 3 cancel. So it is 2X and here it is 2X by 3 and here it is X. For simplify this ratio, we'll multiply 3 with all the terms. So it will be 3 multiplied 2 is 6x and here it will be 2x and C will be 3 multiplied by x is 3x. So here we'll calculate the share of B. So B's share here is, it is 2x. 2x divided by, and the total share of A, B and C is 3 and 2, 5, 5 and 6, 11. So it is 11x multiplied by total profit given here is 6,600. So here x and x cancel. 11, 6 times 66 and 20. 2 multiplied 6 is 12. So 1200 rupees. 1200 rupees. Option number A is our correct answer. Now moving to the next question. So pipe and cistern questions. Here pipe A can fill a tank in 20 minutes and pipe B can fill it in 30 minutes. Pipe C can empty the full tank in 50 minutes. If all the 3 pipes are opened together, how long will it take to fill the tank? So here we have 3 tanks, A, B and C. So A fills in 20 minutes, B in 30 minutes, but C empties it. So it will be negative. Empties in how many minutes? 15 minutes. Now we'll take LCM of these 3. So LCM will be, means tank capacity, or LCM tank capacity, it will be 30, 32 just 60. So LCM will be 60. Now the efficiency of tap A, 3. It is 3. Efficiency of A is 3. Similarly, efficiency of B will be 60 divided by 30 is 2. And efficiency of C, it is in negative. So negative efficiency of 4. Now combined efficiency, it is 3 plus 2, 5 and minus 4. Combined efficiency is 1 and tank capacity is 60. So the time required will be total capacity divided by total efficiency, right? Total capacity here we have calculated, it is 60 and total efficiency is 1. So 60 minute. Option number A is correct for this answer.